Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2015 Honda Civic Coupe EX. Comes equipped with a 1.8 liter 4-cylinder engine paired to a CVT transmission. Other amenities included such as heated bucket seats, power sliding sunroof, backup camera, and so much more. Come check it out. All right, moving on to the interior. Got this black interior, paneling storage on the bottom, extra speakers. Comes up to the power locks and there's windows there. And here we're going to have these heated cloth bucket seats, super comfortable. And left side here will be your ECON mode, and as well as your vents there. Left side of steering will be your odometer cluster control, and as well as voice recognition, with the right side being your cruise control there. Now for the information here, it's all up top. It's going to give you all the information you need from your gauges, as well as your average fuel, radio. Pretty straightforward. Let's push to start. You got two paddle shifters right behind as well. You got AM/FM radio, as well as Bluetooth connectivity, as well as auxiliary. Climate controls at the bottom with the heated seats. Of course, Civics. You got the right turn signal for the camera there. With HDMI, USB, and a power outlet, as well as the classic handbrake and shifter, and center console storage. And passenger side, same finish. From accent across, speakers, vents up top. For an SD card reader, you got a dash cam there. And here you got your rear lamps, power sliding sunroof, and the back seat with a cup holder and armrest on the side. Pretty comfortable. So you got these 16-inch wheels on Pirelli tires with the paint match mirror caps, keyless entry door handle. You got the sun guard there. More trunk space with the WeatherTech mat, as well as extra wheel storage down below with tools. It's a pretty spacious rear. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. We checked out this 2015 Honda Civic Coupe EX, equipped with a 1.8 liter 4-cylinder engine, as well as heated seats, aftermarket dash cam, power sliding sunroof, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe. We hope to see Wolfe Chevrolet very soon.